This terrazzo installation captures the essence of Las Vegas, where bold design and luxury converge. It connects two pedestrian bridges that link three casinos, one bridge newly constructed and the other remodeled with terrazzo replacing outdated tile. They define the space as a functional element and a striking artistic centerpiece, elevating the dynamic atmosphere. Most of the aggregate is glass for added sparkle, paired with intricate zinc divider strips that enhance the project's high-end aesthetic. Large medallions, bordered by 1-inch zinc strips, anchor the layout, with designs radiating into the walkways. The surrounding strips were hand-bent on-site using stencils for precision and mitered for exact intersections. Despite being installed last due to phased construction, the medallions align flawlessly with the surrounding patterns. Color-matched terrazzo control joints blend into the design, creating a unified surface without visual disruption. Coordinating material deliveries while working adjacent to 24/7 casino operations posed challenges, but crews worked overtime to meet the timeline. Judges noted the superb craftsmanship, consistent color and chip density, and smooth, well-executed curves. For an exceptional job at City Center Bridge Connectors, we congratulate the CORRADINI Corporation of Costa Mesa, California.